Hello, my name is Betel.
And my name is Inigo.
And
we are
going
to measure the life cycle of a turkey. Eggs. Natural female turkeys are bred using artificial insemination. The fertilized eggs are collected daily and carefully stored to be sent to the hatchery. Hens start to lay with 32 weeks of age and will continue until 57 weeks of age.
Both. The fertilized eggs are then incubated and hatched within 28 days into four young turkeys. The stage of production from 1 day of egg is called and 5-6 weeks of egg is called brooding. During this time, the young turkey, the young birds are carefully watched and kept warm.
The adults. The next stage after the